Fortnite thinks these kids are the biggest cheaters in the world. They deserve to be banned. GG, hold my card.
Alright, so after getting on, after getting back online, after getting IP flooded, my teammate won first map. My team actually, one of their teammates timed out and it ended up being a 2v2 and they won in overtime, so now we're gonna wait until they start second map because they probably will be no-showing, so that's normally what they do. Normally IP flood the first map and then if you still win, they normally no-show you. So we'll see what happens here. I'm just gonna keep recording so they can, or so I can have some type of proof. I'm gonna go game chat and talk to them. So why'd you IP flood me?
Hey, Pop.
I think I'm going back offline. Back off.
Oh.
Yep, there it goes. And I'm offline again.
We're not. Can't. How's
Haven't gone offline yet. Oh, there it is, actually. So, disconnect from Xbox Live again. My connection is fine, always. It is always perfect. Obviously, you can't take my word for that, but it's a little too coincidental that I go offline twice in the same match when we're playing a 99 in one team because it's obvious. And I just went offline. So, I'm gonna go restart my internet and try to get back online real quick. And I'm gonna stop recording right here so you guys don't have to watch me deal with that. But yeah.